Why did we talk to them? Why did they make the decision that they made? And make sure that we have that information documented in a way that other people can understand. Hi, Bobby Fernandez here, performance coach at Agency Performance Partners. And today I would love to talk to you about documentation. Documentation is so important to me. And for those that have never had to rebuild any kind of documentation and be involved in an E&O claim, I don't wish that upon anybody. But, one of the biggest things we do inside our agency is document our files. And there's a few reasons for that. We want to document those files and make sure that we keep really great track of information so that we can create a really great customer experience for our customers. Our customers shouldn't have to call and give us information more than one time. And we want them to feel like they have been heard and that they can trust us and that they know that we're keeping great track of their information when they call us. And so that's one way that we really use our agency management system to document files. The second thing is we really want to make sure that when we're putting information into our agency management system, that we're helping our agency to drive really great decisions. When do we need to hire the next person? Is there a process or a procedure that might be broken and that we need to fix? When's the next time we need to maybe invest in a new piece of technology to help make us more efficient or effective in our workday? If we're not putting things into the agency management system properly, we don't know when to do those things. And then the third thing is really to make sure that we can tell a story and rebuild that story if we ever need to. CYA, cover your agency. And this is so important. We want to understand in that documentation, what did we offer to the client? Why did the client make that decision? And we also need to remember it's so important that we keep our own personal bias out of the documentation. So be really straightforward, really clear. Not saying that we have to put every detail into that documentation, but we want to put the important high points in there. So really important that your team understands what we need to document, how we document that, where we document, and why we document those things. And then I always think that it's really important to have a good naming convention and name things properly in your system so that you can go back and find them. So we don't always need them now. A lot of the things that we document, we may never even look at again. However, we want to make sure that they are there should we need them. And so it's just like keeping track of your checking account. You want to know where every dollar went. And that's important too in our client's file. Why did we talk to them? Why did they make the decision that they made? And make sure that we have that information documented in a way that other people can understand. So I always like to say, try and write it as if a new person was coming in and looking at that documentation for the first time. And would they be able to tell what you did? I don't know that a whole bunch of abbreviations make sense. We can take a few moments to type those things out and make sure that it's really, really clear for anybody looking at that information. Clarity is kind, and we want to make sure that we're being good coworkers and that we're being awesome agents. So go have fun with documentation and reach out to us if you need help setting up a documentation process. We'll talk to you soon. Have a great day.